I'm a young nigga age 27. Out here getting to a good bag as a driver for UPS. I have one bitch on the team that I have been with for 2 years. Things have been up and down. Regular life shit. My issue is with a bitch on my delivery route. About 2 months ago, a bad white bitch, about 35 years old, with a soap business that I deliver to every other day or so, took her flirting with me to the next level and asked me if she could fuck me in the back of the UPS truck. A bitch told me it had always been her fantasy